Hey guys, today we turn fancy, so we are going to make tacos Baja style, but instead of fish we are going to use lobster meat. This lobster meat actually it was cheaper if you get the package of 2 pounds instead of getting the whole lobster tail. So this is way better. For the condiments or for the complementaries, it's pretty simple. Spicy mayo, I have chopped lettuce, the romaine lettuce, onion and tomato, and of course limes and the cilantro. For this time the cilantro, instead of being on the salad, it's gonna be directly on my pan, cooked with all together with the lobster meat. Okay, and of course we have tortillas and garlic, butter, garlic and cilantro. That's gonna be it for our recipe today. So what we're gonna do is, of course, just grab a piece of garlic, sorry, from butter. I guess this is perfect. This is good enough. We let it melt totally, because I would really want to feel the flavor of the lobster, since this is the main dish. It smells so good. I love how buttery it smells. And right after, what we're gonna do is lower the heat, make this melt totally. And right after, we're going to put some garlic. This time I'm gonna use minced garlic, just because. Okay, a little bit. And we add the meat. This is very simple recipe, guys. Look at the meat. It's like a pre-cook already, so actually the meat is not gonna stay on the heat very long. And look at the chunks of lobster. I swear to God, this is a very good purchase from New England Lobster. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is the whole thing, but I mean, I can't tell. This is not just the tail. This is more like the claws. Can you tell? This is more like the claws instead of the tail, but lobster at the end. Could be crab, but no, this is lobster. You can tell on there. It smells so good. Just gonna put a little bit salt. A little bit of salt. I don't like it too salty. Ground pepper. These are pretty much my basics all the time. Ground pepper and guess what? Oregano? No, not this time. I feel like rosemary is gonna be better for this recipe. Looking for my rosemary. There you are. Just a little bit to keep the great flavor. And let this gets all the flavor in it. I'm gonna try to crush it so we have more portions. So just while this is cooking, I'm gonna start warming up my tortillas, because honestly, like I said, it's a pretty easy recipe. Simple, nice, and I swear to God, this is gonna be so delicious. Look at the colors of this. Oh, I almost forgot the cilantro. Beautiful colors, huh? Edit that. Just leave the water gets evaporated. I'm just waiting for my comal. That's like a good heat. And look at this. This package was $75 for 2 pounds. And one lobster, it was 26. So I don't think you get
What if with the fish or french fry? Yeah, good. That's good.
and because we want the flavor of the butter gets impregnated, so penetrates it. I'm gonna put butter on this to warm up the tortillas, like a buttery tortillas. And again, I just came up with this idea.
A little bit more.
Simple, easy, delicious, colorful, and of course, salsa Maya, the main sponsorship of this channel. little bit more butter. This is ready. We turn off the heat and we wait until the tortillas are ready. So perfect, guys. So now we grab a tortillita, we spread with the spicy mayo like this. We grab a big piece of lobster, not this piece, this one. This piece of lobster. Don't be stingy. Perfect. Now put lettuce, tomato, a little bit of onion, definitely avocado, oh my goodness, mouth-watering, lime, and of course salsa Maya. Some salsita Maya.
Misa. Wow, yummy.
Now va para adentro, chavos. Just gonna try it.
Thanks for
Super
watching.
good.
Leave a comment below.
My goodness. Healthy, I guess.